Well, hello, folks. I'm L.A. Little, and this is today's short take. I haven't talked about the currencies in quite a while, but they continue to be a short on the longer term time frame. You can see the FXE comes off those highs way back in 2011, gets a nice counter trend bounce, for a good year and a half, 2 years. Big plunge. Now an attempt to go higher that's failing as we have QE in Europe, and we have a strengthening economy, or a stronger, shall I say, vis-a-vis Europe economy here in the U.S. This is trying to roll back over. You got volume down here at the bottom, and this is going to try to roll over and test that. And that also, if you look at it, is a par price down there, 102. To go to par and to break par is what this wants to do over time. And once it does, it's going to probably escalate on the downside. Here's the a weekly chart. You can see the spike up, pull back, right? Little spikes up, no real volume to most of them. And they keep pulling back, going to come back down here and try to test these lows. And then here on the daily chart, the Fed last week got this thing rolling to the downside again. And, it's just a matter of time, it appears, the way this thing is trading. The yen not as dominant a trend. We'll go at it from the other direction. Here's the daily chart. You can see this thing has just been range trading on the daily chart for the last 3 months in this kind of tight range here, trying to break down but hasn't had the ability to do so. Japan Central Bank did not hint that they were going to put more QE out there, and so this thing's hanging. Now, some people, the classical technical folks are talking about a potential, inverse head and shoulders kind of bottom taking place here. Maybe. If it does, what it's going to do, it's going to show that as a breakout over the neoclassical highs, right? You get a breakout up here, then something else is going on, and that's what you have to watch for if you're shorting this thing. And if you pull this back, and this is a lot further down than the euro. I think the euro is the better bet in terms of shorting. You had the big spike down, consolidation, another big spike down, consolidation. Does it get continuation, or is this the bottom? We don't know that yet. What we do is we watch it, monitor it. On a long-term basis, though, this is still down, folks. And that's going to take a lot to change. That is today's short take.